incline.
On a treadmill. You won't be able to do that one. You can come and do some step-ups.
No, what I'll do is I'll just go like, I'll lean over and go really fast.
No, you should.
Like this.
You should. Why don't you do a pretend elevator and go up? So start small and come up. Incline.
So like this and go.
Okay, incline climb is hard.
So,
unless you could do the snake sliver. Now that's going to be a little bit tricky because we're not on our grass because it's too wet on the grass today. So you can just do a pretend snake. Oh no, he's going down. That's not a snake sliver.
I can't do it the other way.
Just pretend to be a snake and wiggle around, slither around. I know, I don't know what that is.
Put it in. It's supposed to explode. So much lightning.
Isn't it? It's great. I want the storm captured in it. Can you get in the hail? It'll be like blah blah blah.
Yeah.
Well done, Mr. Kit. A really great effort. Now, the lesson is here, mistakes help us grow. So how can we change this experiment to make it work? Well, it's too windy. Well, those ones have fallen. No, I'm not ready. I was going to have them on the table. It's so windy. It's not going to work. Can you hear me? Okay, receptions, I'm going to show you another way now to change from a solid to a liquid by applying force. Are you ready? You ready? Throw it down. Look at it gurgling out. Oh, that's awful. Should we redo? Throw it down hard, or should I just drop it? Yeah. Okay, do I have to speak again? Hello receptions, and welcome. Hello reception. Okay, receptions. Can you just use that for a spare? Well, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just me. You ready? Hello.
Just wait 1 second.
Now you might have heard of Oobleck from Dr. Seuss's Bartholomew and the Oobleck? Giant Oobleck? That's the title of the story. What's the book called? It's Bartholomew and the Oobleck.
Sorry, it was fine before. You told me.
Can I just answer the questions or I have to do the spiel again?
No, it's just. Sorry, I just just keep thinking we're doing the same question like 40 times. Makes me look like an idiot. Let's do it again, okay.
What is the official Olympic Games motto?
Oh, that's interesting. It's faster, higher, longer.
Stronger.
Sorry, a little bit down the line.
Well, lots more events. Ooh, cut that.
They were held in a place called Olympia, which is now in Greece.
I thought you were going to say that's why they called the Olympics.
And the last one is... I have absolutely no idea what is it.
Did you say surfing? Are you done? Fantastic. Thank you, Mr. Kidd, for your time and your world-leading expert knowledge about the Olympics.
Thank you.
Get out of my office!